Hi, Bill O'Leary here in this video to talk about the question, how often should you update your estate plan? So again, just introduction, Bill O'Leary. I'm a lawyer, estate planning, and elder law and probate are the areas I focus on with my firm, Legacy Planning Law Group. We're located in Jacksonville, Florida. So how often should you update your estate plan? Well, first, in terms of sort of the frequency of updating, it seems to be sort of popular wisdom, well, maybe every 3 to 5 years. I think it needs to be more often than that, certainly if a need justifies it. In fact, with a lot of our clients that are in our ongoing relationship-based program called our Client Care Program, we invite them to come in every year or two. Now, what about specific reasons to update the plan? I like to say, well, if there's a certain life event that has occurred, you at least need to go review it, pull it out, and talk to your lawyer. Number one, you get married. Number one, life event, you get married. So at this point, it's not just about you, but it's about two people. So you want to lay things out, or presumably you want everything to go to your spouse. How about the flip side of getting married? Getting divorced. And I'm sure in that situation, the last thing you want is to know that your ex-spouse might get part of your estate. So divorce, most certainly you got to look at your estate plan. How about the birth of a child? Well, why is that important? Imagine you, or let's say you and your spouse, have sort of a tragic accident, you don't make it home. Well, who is going to take your new child into their home and be the new parent? So at a bare minimum, updating your plan to name what's called a guardian to take them into, become the new parent, basically. So birth of a child. On the flip side, death of a child. So let's say it's an older child, let's say an adult that has children. Well, what do you want to have happen with that deceased child's share of the estate? Do you want it to go to any children that they have? Do you want it to go to their spouse? That sort of thing. So certainly that's another life event, the tragic death of a child. How about this? A child gets married. A child gets married. Well, I'm sure the last thing you would want is, if that marriage doesn't work out, to have, half of that sort of inheritance going to your adult child to go to the ex-son-in-law or daughter-in-law. I'm sure you'd rather keep it in the family bloodline. There are ways to protect it, but oftentimes that requires you to sort of update your estate plan. Child goes to college. Do you want to provide some sort of education fund? Again, sort of life events. How about birth of a grandchild? So at this point, do you want to expand the beneficiaries under your plan? Do you want to include for the grandchildren? Or maybe, let's say you get married for a second time and your new spouse has children from a prior, stepchildren. Do you want to include them in your estate plan, or do you not want to include them? How about if you have made a change to the people you want to do different important things? Let's say your executor. Well, maybe years ago it was your brother, and now your brother is not in good health and you want to change things, okay? Or your power of attorney, changing your what are called fiduciaries. Again, if that happens, your plan needs to be updated. How about you move to a new state? We're seeing a lot of that. People moving in to Florida need to get a Florida estate plan in place. Or think you, or maybe you or your spouse, have declining health. Well, planning for that eventuality to make sure people are in position to be able to help you manage your affairs if you can. Or let's say you or your spouse are about to get an inheritance from a deceased parent or family member, let's say. How are you going to handle that? How are you going to incorporate that into your estate plan? So bottom line, you should really update your estate plan if there's been a critical life event that has occurred. Don't delay, and I would suggest to you that there's great peace of mind that comes by doing this. So peace of mind awaits. So if you want to know a little bit more about how often you should update your estate plan, and maybe if you want to find out how we could help you with that, we'd love to talk to you. So we invite you to schedule a 15-minute phone call. That's free, by the way. It's called our discovery call. Click on the link that appears in this video now. Takes you right to our booking calendar. Just pick a day and time that's convenient for you. We'll jump on the call. If you've enjoyed this video, would ask that you like and share, and hey, subscribe to our YouTube channel here at Legacy Planning Law Group. So Bill O'Leary signing off for now. Go make it a great day and a better world.